As CES 2020 kicks off an exciting new decade, we welcome you to this year's LG ThinQ Zone. The theme for this year is Anywhere is Home, meaning with ThinQ AI by your side, the boundaries of your home, your space of comfort, extends to the connected car, and even to smart restaurants infused with robot tech. Hey there, my name is Gabriel, and welcome to my LG ThinQ Home. Now I'm going to give you a short tour and just show you how comfortable a life with a totally connected house can be. So we're going to start here at the front of my home. Here I have my LG Smart Door. Right next to it I have my LG Fresh Keeper for deliveries. I'll get back to that in a moment. But first, let me show you how I actually get into the house. This is called Biometric Authentication. There you go, it's now unlocked. I give that a soft little click. Now this camera recognized me and gave me the keypad, and the key to getting inside is actually the veins in my palm. Right here. This is that Fresh Keeper that I mentioned a moment ago. There you go. I get a receipt screen, so I can go ahead and check and make sure that everything I ordered is here. Now, watch what happens when I close this door. I get the details of my next delivery. So I get most of my vegetables delivered, but I'll tell you, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of growing and eating your own produce. Now, this is my indoor garden. It's one of the column style appliances, kind of like the wine cellar here and the freezer here. Now you can actually grow vegetables and herbs all year round from seed to table with very little hassle. Now the next space we're going to look at is traditionally divided into two separate areas. We have the living room here and we have the kitchen over there. But LG sees things a little bit differently. They see this as one undivided area that they refer to as the Great Living Kitchen. Now, let me share with you my pride and joy. This is my brand new LG Oled. Let me show you how it works. Hi LG, turn on the TV. Now it looks like I have a notification. The soccer game I want to watch is about to start. Now I have a few options. I can go ahead and click on that. I could speak right to the TV, or I could speak naturally to the remote like this. Watch. Now, the AI in the LG OLED intelligently optimizes for whatever content it's showing. That means the TV itself knows what it's playing. Now, there's one last function I want to share with you, and that is the upgraded voice command function. Now, they have evolved to actually understand the context of what I'm saying based on the actual content on the screen. And this is called who, where, what. So for example, where is that place? So LG OLED will analyze the scene, and within a few seconds, I'm going to find out they're at Trinity College in Dublin, Ireland. Boom, instant gratification. Now, like I said, let's say I really like what she's wearing. Again, I can just ask, what is that woman's clothing? Again, it says I'm analyzing the scene. Within a few seconds, I find out what she is wearing. And now let's take a look at the new InstaView. Now, of course, this InstaView can show you what's inside the fridge, but the new InstaView can actually recognize items as well. So let me show you what I'm talking about with this eggplant here. So I go ahead and I open the InstaView. I'm going to pull out the crisper, put the eggplant in the crisper, close the crisper, close the doors, and there we go. Eggplant is added to crisper. Now I can see here that nice clear picture. If I go up here, I see that the eggplant was added to my food inventory, and this is going to keep track of things like expiration dates. Now if I go up here, I have recipes, so I can choose my ingredients, and I get recipes that contain those ingredients. So because this is an eggplant, I get things like ratatouille. Now let me show you what the menu looks like, what the recipes look like. I have a description, it'll read it to me if I want it to, and I have this button here that says preheat oven. Now this is one of the comforts of living in a totally connected home. If I hit preheat oven, my oven is going to automatically start to preheat at the correct setting and the correct temperatures. Now, I'll be honest, for me, laundry used to come down to eyeballing and guesswork, but thankfully LG developed a technology called AIDD. That stands for direct drive, and it takes all the guesswork out of the process. Now, here's how that works. I put in my laundry, I let it know whether it's bedding or sportswear or towels or whatever, and then DD is going to take care of the rest of the process for me. Now, as if that wasn't enough, this can actually inject the perfect amount of detergent, and when you're just about out of detergent, you're going to get a notification asking, you know what, you're just about out, would you like to order some more? LG ThinQ actually uses the data from your devices to help with maintenance as well. Now, this is going to help prevent possible problems and issues before they occur. So this is called LG Proactive Customer Care Service. Let's say there's a sudden cold snap. Well, my washing machine is going to let me know, hey, there's a risk of your pipes freezing if you do laundry. Now, you're going to get notifications from either email or the ThinQ app or maybe your AI speaker when you need to take action to take care of one of your appliances. Now, there is one last thing I need to do before I leave the house, and that is turn off all of my appliances that don't need to be on. And I do that in a very simple way. I just tell my LG OLED good night, and it's going to take care of turning off all of my appliances for me. So again, I really hope you enjoyed a little piece of my life, and thank you so much for watching.